So Doug and I decided to do something a bit different today, haven't we, Doug?
We certainly have, Frank.
What are we going to do?
Well, this is a little pond out in the middle of nowhere, which we will keep to ourselves, but we are allowed to fish it, I think. And apparently it's full of redfin.
Wow. We haven't fished with lures, I don't think, at all on the channel, have we?
No, I haven't done anything like this for 20 years.
Right.
So I've got a little white thing.
Yes, and
I've
got a tried and trusted little old Mr. Twister lure, which would be just about as old as me, and that's always worked for me, so let's see how we go.
Yeah, well, and the water's down, so the fish will be concentrated.
Yes.
Let's see how we go, Frank.
Well, let's see. Oh, nice.
There you go.
Yeah.
That's a nice fish.
That's a nice fish.
That's a take a home eat fish. Don't you think?
Well, guess so. You can't throw it back, Doug.
That's the best perch I've caught for a long time, I think.
We do, Doug. Here we go.
I'm so pleased. That's even bigger.
Let's have a look at yours. Oh, yeah.
You filming?
Yes.
Yeah, look at that.
Very nice.
First cast.
Yes, and this was second cast. Nice work, Doug.
Yeah. That is a beauty. What are we going to do with him? I thought I'd hit the bottom.
Yeah. Yes, there's not much in the way of structure, so
No.
the
These should be all over.
they should be probably well spread. Yeah, so nothing too complex, just cast, retrieve, and a twitch every now and again. Yes, I don't think it's that deep. I'm picking up a bit of weed on the bottom. Yep, weed again.
There's plenty of fish about, Frank.
Hmm.
I've got one, Frank. Not as big, but
No, nice.
beautiful little perch, aren't they?
Yeah. Right, I've changed lures. I've gone to a little yabby lure in fluoro, which has certainly worked for me for redfin before. I just got hit on the red plastic right at my feet. Similar sized fish, didn't hook up. That lure's not swimming properly. Must have got caught up with hooks. Weed. Fair bit of weed, Doug.
Pardon?
Fair bit of weed.
Oh, okay.
That might be just travelling a little too deep in the water, I think. Right, I switched to a spinner, Celta imitation, and I've got another one. Yep. He's not a bad fish either. Very nice. So we've had 2 each. I missed one at my feet a few casts back. And Doug hasn't had any more. But just being out here doing this instead of bait fishing for carp is good. Right, well the size just went down considerably. This is a Robbie redfin. Sorry Robbie. Just a little tacker. Well, certainly very pleasant this morning. Hardly any breeze. Nice and warm without being hot. And just a few fish to keep us interested. And the spinner does seem to be doing the job and staying out of the weed. Yep, the spinner's doing the job alright. That's a little bit bigger than the last one. I think given the fact that it's late summer going into autumn, you can see where the water level is normally probably 1.5 meters up on where we're fishing now, and consequently the overall depth of the pond is quite shallow, and as a result we're picking up a lot of weed. So you really have to go for something that doesn't dive and go down to the bottom, because every cast you're just taking weed off the hooks, and of course the fish aren't going to go for that, are they? So this bladed spinner seems to be a bit higher in the water column. It's flashy, the water's sort of a dirty tea colour, and it's not picking up weed, and I have got a couple of fish on it, so tick tick tick. Without giving away the location, for those of you that haven't worked it out, is readily accessible. There's a road very close by, and I should think it sees a fair bit of fishing pressure. So I wouldn't imagine that there's huge numbers of fish in here, particularly bigger fish, but it makes change. And we're not catching carp. I think out of preference I would rather be on that bank over there, where there are reeds and rushes and things, and fish have got a bit of cover. But I don't know if you can see or not on this camera, but just below the line of the reeds you can see mud, so I don't think it's very deep, and the same round over here. So when the lake is full, that would be my preference, I think. But anyway, I've had, I don't know, must be 4 or 5 now, so that's better than 4 or 5 carp, I reckon. Doug switched over to a bladed spinner as well.
Yep. Took the old boy's advice.
Which old boy's that, Doug?
Actually, I'm the old boy, aren't I?
Well, yeah, I guess you are.
Oh, just lip hooked.
Alright, get a bit of sunlight on him. Let's have a look at this bloke.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, yeah.
They are stunning, aren't they?
Well, yeah, they are, but they're not as brightly marked as maybe if they came out of clearer water. But well done.
You're a hard man to please.
I'm very hard to please, yeah.
I'm very happy with that, Frank.
Oh, yes. Yes, well, as the sun's come up, we haven't seen so much evidence of fish, and certainly first couple of casts, bang bang, but yeah, not so much now. I think they've moved out of the shallows and out in the deeper water where they feel a bit safer, I would think. We might have to go and get an ice cream later, Doug.
Yep.
Seeing as we're not that far away.
It'd be my shout, thing.
Oh, I don't. Yeah, well, we'll fight about it later.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm rather thinking that might be it for the morning. But we'll have a few more casts. Whoop, straight across here, look at that.
Yeah.
Poaching your fish.
Normal, typical. I'll go out the way then.
Yeah.
I'll go somewhere where I won't be
Mr. Grumpy. Well, this is definitely smallest fish of the day. That's definitely a Robbie redfin. Sorry again, Robbie. Pretty fish. Yeah, another one. Another tiny one. Don't really think he knows what hit him. That's a better coloured one. Here's another one. Don't know how Doug's going, he's right over the other side of the lake. Yes, definitely a little bit bigger. Another one. You could see them smashing stuff up along the weed bed there. So that's the second one I've pulled out of there now. Another one in the same spot, but same size. Yep, the little bladed spinner is doing all the damage. There's still fish smashing up bait all along the front of these reeds here. Bait being mosquito fish. I have one more cast down there. Oh, that's that could be a lost lure. Oh dear. Well, looks like Doug's heading back, so I think I'll go and join him. I think it was 11 all up. At least half a dozen of those were pretty small, but you can see down here the gambusia are packed in along the edges here, and the redfin are just periodically picking them off. So clearly there's fish in here beyond what we caught. Anyway, a bit of a change with that video, so I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next one. Say goodbye, Doug.